Hello everyone, I'm BodineVictoria, a teacher, singer-songwriter, actress and entertainer by day, home cook at all points in between, and I want to welcome you to my kitchen. This is my new YouTube channel, Bodine Pot, said in dialect, because right here we keep the culture of the Bahamas alive through food and shared experiences. This channel is a space for learning as I share my failures and successes as we recreate some of your traditional Bahamian favorites, and we kind of mix them up like conch salad when it's time to turn them into something new with some international appeal. I am a home cook. Everything that I know I learned from my Grammy, my mommy and my daddy, and I'm going to share those experiences with you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you like what you see, and like each video. Be sure to share it with friends and family, and let's keep Bahamian culture alive. Don't forget, don't let any and everybody dig up in your pot.